Planning a move from Mississauga, Ontario to St. John, New Brunswick? That's a big relocation, and one of the first questions most people ask is simple: how much will movers cost? The answer depends on a few important details, including your home size, shipment weight, packing needs, building access, moving date, and whether you need storage along the way. In this video, we'll break down what affects the cost of moving from Mississauga to St. John and how to plan your budget with fewer surprises. A Mississauga to St. John move is a long-distance move of roughly 1,350 to 1,450 kilometers, depending on the route. According to 3 movers, a typical 2 to 3 bedroom household move on this route usually costs around $2,500 to $5,000, with transit times often running 4 to 7 days. Because this route crosses multiple provinces, pricing is based on more than just the map distance. Movers also consider load size, labor, truck space, fuel, routing, and any extra services you request. The biggest cost factor is usually how much you're moving. A small apartment with fewer boxes and basic furniture will cost less than a full 3-bedroom home with appliances, garage items, patio furniture, and fragile pieces. More items mean more packing time, more loading time, more truck space, and more total weight. That's why a detailed inventory is one of the best ways to get a more accurate quote. Packing services can make a long-distance move much easier, but they do affect the price. If you want movers to pack dishes, artwork, electronics, mirrors, office equipment, or delicate furniture, ask whether packing materials are included. 3 Movers notes that full-service movers can handle packing, loading, transportation, unloading, and even unpacking, but that added convenience can increase the overall cost. Building access also matters. If movers need to handle stairs, elevators, tight hallways, long walks from the truck to the door, or limited loading space, the job can take longer. 3 Movers lists stairs, freight elevators, long carry distance, furniture disassembly, and crew size as major factors that can influence the final moving price. Before moving day, reserve elevators, confirm parking, and make sure the crew has clear access at both homes. For a long-distance move like Mississauga to St. John, delivery is usually not instant. 3 Movers says most relocations on this route take 4 to 7 days, though timing can vary because of shipment size, weather, truck routing, traffic leaving the Greater Toronto Area, and shared load scheduling. If you're moving during summer or near the end of the month, booking early is a smart move because demand can be higher. Sometimes your pickup and delivery dates don't line up perfectly. If your new home in St. John is not ready yet, moving and storage may help. 3 Movers notes that many carriers offer short-term or long-term storage for interprovincial moves, with pricing depending on storage duration, crate size, handling fees, and final delivery distance. The best way to get an accurate price is to request a quote based on your actual inventory, pickup details, delivery access, and service needs. If you're planning a move from Mississauga to St. John, visit 3 Movers to compare options and request a moving estimate.